Today we explain how the Hero driver-led connected V16 beacon works. Its use is very simple and does not require mobile applications, prior registration, or any kind of configuration. You only need to remove the battery cover and press the SOS button to activate it. During the first 100 seconds, the beacon remains in test mode. During these first 100 seconds, you can check the light and battery status without any alert being sent. After this period, the beacon automatically transmits its position to the DGT 3.0 platform. This communication is completely anonymous. When the incident is over, turn off the beacon and store it back in the vehicle. Hero driver-led offers an approximate battery life of 60 minutes of continuous use. It is important to remember that the beacon does not make emergency calls. Its function is to communicate the incident to DGT 3.0 and alert other drivers through applications such as Google Maps, Waze, and the DGT information panels. For more information, visit herodriver.es.